the first instance, our thoughts are with the family of the late Private Sean Rooney yesterday in Lebanon. We know that a number of people were convicted of his murder. The main culprit was at large, and that's very, very regrettable. And the delay that it has taken to have justice has been far too long. And I must say that some of the sentences are unduly lenient as well in respect of others. Peacekeeping is a very noble cause, and Private Sean Rooney gave his life the cause of peacekeeping and to protect others. And I've said repeatedly to the Lebanese authorities that the nobility of the role of the peacekeeper must always be reflected in terms of bringing those who were responsible for this murder to justice. We will continue to make that point.
Happy with that as an appropriate sentence?
Well, Ireland, first of all, that hasn't been applied in Lebanon for quite some time, and expectation is that will be commuted. But just to say overall, those responsible had escaped, if you like, justice for far too long. Many are at large for quite some time, and the main individual now is at large as well, and that's very unsatisfactory.
Is it likely, Taoiseach, that those sentences could be changed? You've obviously expressed your own discomfort at how lenient some of the sentences are. Would you prefer to see them slightly upgraded maybe? Or?
Well, the court has made its decision. We can't interfere in the operation of the court itself. But I think the whole process certainly left a lot to be desired.